Welcome to the Solution Man. So in today's video we're gonna solve the Valorant error WAN 1067. It's caused by the Vanguard when it stops working. So let's fix it. Simply search services. Open the services and press V on your keyboard and you will see VGC. After seeing VGC, right click and start it. And it will take some time, some seconds, and it will be started. After that your game will be running fine without any error. But if you see this error again, simply reinstall your Vanguard. When you will reinstall your Vanguard, your problem will be solved, the error will not come, and your game will run fine. Subscribe and like the video for more solutions in life.